Hello there, very good afternoon to you. It certainly has been a very wet and windy start, as expected, to our Sunday. The best chance of the decent conditions this afternoon across central and southeastern parts of England. And now, if you have a little witch or wizard going out Halloweening this evening, then you are going to need to make sure that they wrap up warm, of course, because it's going to be chilly, and also take something waterproof, because heavy frequent showers are likely to continue, remaining windy. The best chance of dry weather, I think, will be across the south and east. Happy Halloweening to you. Jumping ahead to the start of a brand new week, we can see more of the same. Heavy and frequent showers, some sunshine around. Feeling chilly though in a northerly wind. See you later.
Good afternoon. Well, the earlier rain has now just about cleared away eastwards. Still pretty windy, but otherwise an afternoon of sunny spells and just 1 or 2 showers. Temperatures in the best of the sunshine up to around 14 or 15 degrees.
So after reports of tornadoes today and strong gusts of wind, the weather now with Lucy.
Hello, good evening. Sunday certainly served up a spell of wet and windy weather, and as we go through tonight it will remain blustery. There will be a fair amount of dry weather around through the night, although with those blustery winds we could drag in a few heavy showers. Temperatures overnight falling to a minimum of around 7 degrees Celsius.
Good evening to you. It's been a very stormy Sunday. We've had very strong winds, heavy rain, reports of trees down and localised flooding in places. It remains pretty windy this evening across most areas, and there will be clear spells with further heavy showers, even longer spells of rain.
Thanks, Joe. Mixed fortunes, I suspect, for the fishermen for the month of October when it comes to the weather. We closed out the month on a rather wet note, didn't we? This was Keswick earlier on this morning. Yet again, a deluge of rain. And the heaviest of the rain has been in the last few days and certainly out to the west. Now, these are not the final totals for the whole of October, but they're pretty close. And you can see across the Lake District and parts of southwest Scotland, we've had over 300 millimetres of rain. In North Wales, over 200 millimetres rain. That's twice the monthly average. So it's been wettest out to the west. It's also been, however, a pretty mild month, particularly across eastern England. And in fact, for England and Scotland, it's been slightly warmer than average, but there has been quite a lot of cloud around as well. So mixed fortunes really for October. What then lies in store for the beginning of November? Well, it's all change in actual fact. The story for the next couple of days, sunshine and blustery showers. Quieter certainly by the middle part of the week, but noticeably cooler for all of us. And that could lead to some overnight frost, maybe some widespread frost, something we've not seen so far this season.
And there was a spectacular show in the sky last night as the clocks went back. The northern lights were more visible than usual because of a large solar flare. Particles shooting out from the sun, interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. This picture was taken in Norway. But the lights were also visible in the UK. This was the beautiful view from Belhaven Bridge in Dunbar in Scotland in the early hours of this morning.
Hello there, very good evening to you. I hope you've had a lovely weekend despite the weather. It certainly has been very wet indeed across the UK over the last few days. But you'll be pleased to know that although we've got more rain to come in the next 24 or so hours, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week look drier, brighter, also quite a lot colder as well.
Hello there, good evening. More trick than treat this Halloween as far as the weather goes. There has been some disruption around and about, certainly quite a few showers and some strong blustery winds. That's going to continue a little while longer courtesy of this low pressure system. But as we head through the week, things start to settle down a little but also get a touch cooler.